Are you leaving money on the table by not using Pinterest's branded content? Here's exactly how to sign up in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the 9 simple steps from opening Pinterest to confirming your enrollment. Let's get started. Start by opening Pinterest on your device. Now, this works exactly the same whether you're on a desktop computer or using the mobile app, so don't worry about that. Just get Pinterest open and make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for brand deals. Next, locate the arrow down icon beside your profile picture. It's right there in the top right corner of your screen. That little downward arrow is your gateway to all your account settings. Go ahead and give that a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. You'll see a bunch of options in that list, but we're looking for the one that just says Settings. Click on it. Now, in Settings, find and click on Branded Content. It's usually listed under a section called Your Account or something similar, so just scroll down a bit if you don't see it right away. When you find it, click on it. Take a moment to read the program details here. This is important because Pinterest will explain what branded content means on their platform. Basically, it's any post where a brand pays you to feature their product or service. They lay out the rules and expectations so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Don't just skim through this. Read it carefully because it affects how you tag your future posts. Scroll down to see all the requirements. Pinterest has a few conditions you need to meet before you can join. Things like having a certain number of followers or meeting their community guidelines. Make sure you qualify before moving forward. If you don't meet a requirement, it will tell you right here. Don't worry though. Most creators with an active account and a decent following should be fine. Once you're ready, click the Sign Up button. It should be a prominent button on the page. Go ahead and click it. Now, carefully review the terms and information sharing details. This is the legal stuff. Pinterest will explain how they share your information with brands and what data gets exchanged. Pay close attention to this, because once you agree, you're giving Pinterest permission to handle those interactions on your behalf. And here's the thing. I've seen creators skip this step and later get confused about why brands could see their analytics, so take your time here. Finally, confirm your enrollment. Click that final confirmation button. This might take a moment to process, so just wait a few seconds. You'll see a confirmation that your account is enrolled. Usually it says something like, "You're now enrolled in the Pinterest branded content program," or a similar message. And that's it. You're done. So now you're officially set up to accept branded content deals on Pinterest. Brands can tag you in their sponsored posts, and you can tag them in yours. That opens up a whole new way to earn money from your content on the platform. And the best part is that you did it in under 2 minutes. Now go out there and start pitching those brand collaborations. Happy pinning!